Alright, let's look at the slicing and dicing on this door. So, it's got holes all the way up here. I don't feel comfortable trying to fix the bends and problems here. I think we're going to flush this in with fiberglass. So here's a panel. Here's the next panel coming out. And here's the first cut. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see where they filled it in. Oof. There's the piece. She's pretty corroded. They used some galvanized tin to try and fix this up, but you know, unfortunately it got that too, so we're gonna have to. That's the door seal. I'll probably trim this whole piece back. We'll put in one tab and that'll just let everything fall out of here. This is very important. These door cavities catch a lot of junk. And then we're gonna cut all the way up here. And I'm gonna cut a panel. Probably gonna try and leave an 1/8 of an inch edge. We're gonna slide a piece of panel all the way up in here. And then weld these pieces in. That's a nice clean sheet inside, so I guess it's getting this stuff treated and then, yeah, trying to stop this rust. These door skins are hollow cavities under here. And I washed a lot of bad stuff out of here last night, so there it is. We're going to keep cutting and make her good. There it is. Don't run your tractors in road salt, kids. This whitish looking is from the acid. So I actually filled the door skins with water, and then we threw some baking soda in there to neutralize this stuff. Because you really want to. Really? You knock my door off and you're in trouble. Yep. Bad stuff. Well, that's it for tonight. It's about 8 hours of work. A lot of high build primer. Hopefully that'll run flat and dry flat. This is going to take some more attention tomorrow. We'll be back for that. We got to weld these panels in. That one support here is going to be a problem, or a challenge. We'll probably figure it out. We always do. Maybe we could fiberglass, just make a fiberglass leg. I mean, they do that for bolts, so. Or we'll just weld and let it burn. Yeah, as long as we go fix the inside. We want the door card to look right when it's in there. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.